Hello everyone. Right now I am standing beside this river. This is called a river. Lots of people are catching fish with their boat and net. Right now I am standing here and this is called Thakul. But opposite this river, that is called Lokitola. So Lokitola Bazaar is there and it's really close to this place. And that is called bridge. You are not being to see because my camera quality is not well. So yesterday I have come at their house because yesterday was my brother Ashidbadi. That's why I have come. So my mother, my father, they had come, but they had gone at our house. But I stayed their house. Look at this. This is really amazing tree. I don't know what the name of this tree in English language, but this is called জলপাই গাছ and অনেক ধরনের ফুল ফুটেছে। এই ফুলগুলো ব্লুমিং করছে, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, অসাধারণ। and আমি এখানে একটু আরাম করতেছি কারণ it's really cool and calm place, known here for bothering me, and it's really natural place and lots of birds are shrimping.